again, hopefully you know the drill. Pause it, work it out, come back. So this particular one is with replacement, okay? With replacement. Again, you have to visualize this stuff. Make a list. You have 10 equal sections, okay? Okay. You have 3 sections that are red, 3 red. You have 2 that are yellow, and 5 that are white. Okay. Since it's a spinner, I could draw it here. Okay. Now, remember they're equal parts, and that looks like a basketball. But anyway, so you have 3 that are red, you have 2 that are yellow, and all of these guys are white. 5. Okay. If you drawings don't have to be perfect, obviously, and that just to get you an idea of what you're doing. Okay. So if you spin it 3 times, what is the probability that it will land on yellow each time? Well, it's compound. Okay. Compound is going to be a hard thing to do. The probability gets smaller each time. It's hard to do it. I mean, hard to get what you want. In this case, what we want is that we get yellow each time. Well, to get a yellow, it's 2 yellows out of 10, right? And then we're replacing it, because it's not like you can take away a section from that spinner and then not use it the next time. Okay. The probability of you getting a yellow the second time, it will still be the same, because it's not like you can get rid of that and then take it away. It's a spinner. It stays the same way. That's why replacement means you will reuse it. Okay. So another 2 10s for the second time. And if we wanted to do it a third time, it would be 2 10s, and you will multiply it. Okay. Now, I can simplify it, and yeah, that's 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5, and then multiply. Okay. 1 times 1 times 1 gives me 1, but 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125. Okay. Now look, the probability of getting a yellow 3 times in a row in this particular scenario is 1 out of 125 times. That means that you can try it 125 times, and if it holds true, it would only happen once. Okay, that probability is very tiny. It's 1 out of 125. Now, it could be a different way of going. What if they don't say 3 times yellow? Okay, because they said each time. You could jump from yellow to red, and for instance, if they tell you what's the probability of you getting a yellow and then a red one, well, to get a yellow it's 2 10s, right? But to get a red one, it's 3 10s. So now you would have to multiply those two. So same idea, only in this case it was yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay, I hope you got the drill down. Work it out. If you have problems, tell me I had problems with this, help me out. Okay. And that was with the same spinner. Look, so I just gave you a hint of how you would do it.